You need a shot. And there you go, Bobby.
Down. Look at Avy. Awesome. Look at a crab bone.
Put him in here. Oh my goodness, that looks like butt cheeks.
Oh, look, I found a crab bone.
Cool. It's got two.
Taylor, put it in. Taylor.
Mom's taking a picture.
It's okay, baby. Put it in.
Mommy is taking a picture of me getting pink. I'm gonna pull out some wood. Chug this one. I found one. Yep.
Got a big one.
What is it?
It's got a mind of its own over here. Gotta dig for it. It's deep.
Pull.
It's like the.
Sorry. Use those messes.
Let's see.
That one. See, it's hard.
It's gotta dig around it now. Get your fingers around it.
No, you don't.
No.
There's a metal thing.
There's some sand. Here. Get some tools. Use those muscles, girl. Ew.
Go, Avy, go. You got a little cheer team.
Ew. Mom, can you grab me one? They look gross. Mom. Ew, they smell thirsty.
Pretty sure it's just poop.
Gardening life, hey girls?
Okay, no, I've quit.
Don't forget the other little carrots that are already out.
What? I pulled that one. I pulled this one out.
Put it in the bag, baby.
This one?
Yeah.
Got it up my nails.
Take a tug for me. No, maybe. My turn. Pass over the shovel.
No, get your own shovel.